Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, it just looks like impulsive up. It looks like corrective down. It looks like we potentially are in impulsive up again, like potentially a wave C of wave B, which would likely take out the high of wave A. Now the problem is gold loves to make expanding and running flats. What if this is like a wave A, which may be clear on the 4 hour, and this is a wave B, and this is a wave C of an expanding flat? Let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame, and you can hopefully see what I mean. Now, expanding flats always make lower lows, so what if this is an A, and this is a B, and this is a C? Or maybe it's like a WXY because it's more three waves, three waves, three waves. Either way, we have to pay attention to our Fibonacci extension levels. If it breaks down at one of those levels, and a Fibonacci retracement level of this move down, then we probably want to come to the realization that this is like either an A or a 1, this is either a B or a 2, and then it goes down for either a 3 or a C. Now it definitely hasn't broken down at a fib level, and my main analysis is up, so I definitely am recommending longs for the higher time frame traders. So going down to the 1 hour, I actually have my Fibonacci retracement on this right here. Because if it does make an engulfing move down at one of these fib levels, then you probably do want to get short. Because like I said, this could be the top of an expanding flat, like an end of a wave C. And if it is, it would bounce from one of these fib levels and it would start a brand new downtrend. So if you do see a good bounce, you might want to try to go short because it could be the beginning of a new downtrend, or it could just be the beginning of like a wave C, and then it goes down, and this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C, and then it just keeps on trending up. As long as you're constantly paying attention to your Fibonacci levels, especially Fibonacci retracement, and your structural levels, hopefully you can tell the difference between an ABC and a 1, 2, 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.